In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 eBay selling tips that actually work, and I'm going to provide you with 3 proof for each of the tips. Hi, my name is May. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, and today I'm going to talk about the 3 eBay selling tips that I often use that help to drive sales to my store. The key here is to create product listing that is as attractive as possible, and this will help maximize the conversion. There are 180 million active eBay users, and in order for you to capture the attention and convert them from a normal browser to being your customer, you need to improve in your product listing. Creating a product listing correctly can make a big difference from having a 0 sales or 100 sales per day. So right now I'm going to jump straight into my computer and show you what are the 3 tips that I often use to drive traffic to my eBay store as well as increase my sales. This is an example of a store that is not doing so well, with a lot of negative feedbacks. And this is an example of a store with explosive sales. There are 3 key things to optimize the product listing. So here is my tip number 1. Title optimization. Compelling title with attractive keywords. Title optimization means to have a good title with relevant keywords. The secret to title is to describe the product with the attractive benefit. Example, instead of putting Ziploc bag, think of what is the main attractive benefit is. Example, reusable. So a good title should be reusable Ziploc bag. Just this simple strategy, you can potentially increase your sales from 0 to over $600 on this one product alone. Tip number 2. Product image optimization. Product image optimization is to have very eye-catching product image that at one glance you are able to catch the attention of the shopper. One good example for fast-moving goods like this air fryer parchment paper. So instead of a plain picture like this, add more feature to the image. By adding simple text to my product image, you can potentially increase your sales tenfold on this particular product, which is from $40 to over $400 in sales. Tip number 3. Product pricing. Product pricing needs to be competitive because there are thousands of similar items competing with each other on eBay. Take this resistance band for example. These 2 items are the same item with the same UPC code. The only difference is the price. The one priced at $7.99 have 0 sold, whereas the one priced at $6.75 sold 578 cents. With the right pricing for this product, you can potentially make over $3,900 instead of 0. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have learned something valuable today. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So in conclusion, in order for you to get good sales, you need to put in a little bit more effort in creating your listing. I hope that you try out my 3 eBay selling tips, and do let me know in the comments below if any of these tips actually work for you. Do apply these tips to your eBay store and start making profit. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.